In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to erase your QuickBooks Online data and start over. Maybe you've been testing things out, imported the wrong data, or your file is just too messy and you'd rather start fresh. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through exactly what to do step by step so you can wipe the slate clean and set up a brand new QuickBooks Online company. First, you'll want to cancel your current QuickBooks Online subscription. This is important because you can't truly start over with a completely clean file while the old subscription is still active. In your QuickBooks account, go to the gear icon in the upper right corner. From there, choose Account and Settings. In some versions, you might instead see a direct settings option, then Subscriptions and Billing. Both paths will take you to the same place where your subscription details live. Once you're in that area, look for the Billing and Subscription tab. This is where QuickBooks shows your current plan, billing frequency, and any add-on services you might be using. Take a moment here to double-check that you're in the correct company file, especially if you manage more than one company under the same login. On the Billing and Subscription tab, you'll see an option that says Cancel or Cancel Trial if you're still in a trial period. Click that option and follow the on-screen prompts. QuickBooks may ask you a few questions about why you're canceling or offer you alternatives like pausing your subscription. Work through those prompts until you get to the final confirmation, and make sure you actually confirm the cancellation so it goes through. Without that last confirmation, your subscription might remain active. If you're using any payroll services connected to this company, be sure to cancel those as well. Payroll is often a separate subscription, so simply canceling the main QuickBooks plan may not stop those charges. Look for a payroll section or a separate Manage Payroll subscription link and repeat the cancellation process there. Once your existing subscription is canceled, you're ready to start fresh. Head to the QuickBooks Online homepage in your browser. From there, sign up for a new company. During this process, you can choose to use the same user ID you used before or create a different one if you prefer to separate things. Using the same user ID can be convenient because all your Intuit products stay under a single login, but it's completely up to you. After you complete the sign-up, you'll have a brand new, clean QuickBooks Online company where you can set up your accounts, customers, and settings from scratch without any of the old data getting in the way.